very happy to share my feedback about the Lilbeez textbooks, what we have taken the previous year. Whatever we have taken the earlier, some of the books, as compared to that with the Lilbeez, we are very happy that we are using this book. Myself, Vasuki Kulkarni, I'm the principal of the school, Mount Carmel English School, RR Nagar. I felt like the Lilbeez is the best textbook ever. So the thing is, to tell it as a best is we have here the printed notebooks, so that it is a less burden for the teachers especially. Otherwise they would have drawn the lines and everything. It's a very big task for the teachers. So the teachers are also very happy about that. And even the kids, they are seeing all the activities. They are very happy with doing the activities, whatever they are doing in the class right now. We have got a positive feedback from the parents. The assessment sheets, what we are getting through the team, it is also very helpful. Thank you for the team that they introduced us this kind of books. Thank you so much.